Hello everyone, and welcome to this month's adult take-home craft. Today, we'll be making Michigan string art. To start, you'll need the following items: a styrofoam block, wrapping paper or paper of any kind, the template that we've provided, and about 80 pins. Additionally, you'll also need string, tape, and scissors. We have provided everything but the tape and scissors for today. First, we need to wrap the styrofoam block with the paper provided. Today we've picked a nice blue since our theme is going to be Michigan inspired. There isn't a correct way to wrap the block. Do whatever works best for you. In the end, the most important thing is that the front is flat and smooth. Next, we need to place the template onto the block and then poke one pin through the template. Now, you can use one or two extra pins to hold the template in place if you need to. That way it doesn't move around while you're trying to poke the rest of the holes. Once you're done, remove the template and start placing the pins into the holes that you've already made. We're going to wind the string around the outline first. You're going to want to tie a small knot at the end of the string and wrap it around one of the pins. I started at the bottom left corner of the mitten, but you can really start anywhere. I just find that to be the easiest place. Then loop the string around each pin until you've done the entire outline. Next, we're going to fill in the rest of the state. It doesn't matter what pattern you choose, it's just important that everything is filled in by the time that you're done. Keep going until you're near the end of the string. Once you have a little bit left, make sure to tie off yet another knot and put it in one of the pins. Trim off any excess string. And there you have it, ready for display or for a gift or whatever else you'd like to do with it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to pick up your kit while supply lasts at the Westland Library reference desk. They're in limited supply and first come, first serve. Stay tuned for next month's take-home craft.